Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinars. Can you guys hear me so far? Okay. I know that the first few webinars, like the beginning of Q1, the webinar is suitable for the beginner. All right. So if you find the webinar is like, quite dry or boring, just stay throughout the webinar, because at the end of webinar, I will help you guys to look for the trade setup for today. Okay. I think probably this webinar gonna finish maybe within 30 to 45 minutes. All right. And then we have like 15 to 20 minutes to look at our chart together. Okay. Can you guys hear me? If yes, can anyone just let me know? Okay. Just maybe you just wait for 1 minute more. Okay. Okay, shall we start? Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. All right, welcome to Vantage webinar. So today topic, we will talk about advanced support and resistance path 2, which I'm going to cover the trend line and channel line. Okay. So before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right. Everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or training advice. All right. And risk warning over here. Okay, trading forex and safety carries significant risk, and it's not suitable for all investor. All right, you could lose substantially more than your initial investment. Okay, so about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. So basically, most of the time, you will see me on Wednesday. Okay, I think I'm gonna rotate with my colleague, which is systemic Keaton, which is you will see Keaton mostly do on Tuesdays, also about fundamental. Okay, so if you have time, just tune in, enjoy his webinars. All right. Okay, so today basically I'm going to talk about trend line and dynamic support and resistance, channel lines, and technique for identifying support and resistance, trading strategy using support and resistance, and light chart analysis at the end of the webinars. Okay, so we will talk about the trend line and dynamic support and resistance. Okay, the trend line are the line drawn across price action to identify support and resistance level. Okay, there are two types of trend line. Okay, at the picture you will see there is an uptrend line or ascending trend line. It acts as the support, dynamic support. Okay, and a downtrend or descending trend line act at the dynamic resistance level. In these pictures, okay, this we draw at this one, right? Is a support level, so it acting at the support level, and significant trend line. Okay, if you want to draw or identify, you need to find at least 3 touches. Okay, like 3 touches, and then you draw the trend line. Okay, for the downtrend or descending trend line, okay, you will see it acting at the resistance level, and you know that this is the downtrend, which is price make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The good example of the current market for gold. Okay, before, let me pull out, which will use the trend line over here, right? You were to look at H4 time frame. And you know that price is very strong uptrend. Okay, maybe we just pick from this like this point. Okay, this point over here, what you're gonna see that if you were to connect the trend line, this how many this is gonna be like, you know, three touched, 1 2 3 4, right? This another trend line, and another one. If you could to connect over here to here, right? You will know that this is another 1 2 3 4. This is have the rejection, right? And you know this ascending trend line or uptrend, right? You will know that this is so in line, okay, with the support level, which is this one, right? So this is the one you can, this is very key support level, right? Because on the last webinar we talked about how to identify support and resistance. You'll see this really strong or key level support. And this one, right, when the price falling, okay, there's a lot of trader that will buy at this level. Okay, this really pull back support level, and you can see that the trend line, and you can see that based on H4 time frame, when price, you know, reach the key level, you can see the bounce, right, the rejection, and price close below, price close above the ascending trend line, right? So now for gold similarly here, basically for gold, okay, my sell zone, okay, price already, actually this is my sell zone for gold based on M30, which is this one, which is price already falling like today in the morning. Then you can see the price cannot close below the support level. Anyone buy up at this level at the support based on M30, what do you see? You see the price action, right? You can see that this is the price action. That's how you buy up. So the next sell entry that I'm looking for based on the trend line over here, I connect the trend line based on H4, okay? So when you go to M30, what do you see? You would think that, okay, this is not very, and that is okay, okay? My sell zone, okay, for M30 for gold, I'm looking at this level. This is gonna be my sell entry for gold. Okay, similarly, we are looking at this one. So this is gonna be my sell entry between like pullback here. Okay. This is, maybe I just change to red. So it's like, you know, the trend line. Okay, so this is the level, basically around this zone. Or I will just maybe highlight. This is the level. Okay. If they come up, right? But the initial sell zone here gonna be my sell entry. First sell entry, you can see the price falling. Why? Because you can see this is support, and this is, we also have like a bearish order block over here, right? So the first sell zone somewhere around here, but actually price already like just now falling from the bearish order block on M30, right? You can see this bearish order block. So first sell here, second sell is up there. Okay. Anyone get the sell entry somewhere around this level? Price is falling. Okay. So this is the um ascending trend line. Okay, I only have to be 3 touches. And this one, what about this trend line? You can just leave it like that because I don't know next key level. Where is next key level for the support level, which is, I will just maybe place slightly here. Right? So meaning that if price break below all the way here, we might see about maybe from this one continue break below pullback. Okay, so this another pullback support level might in line with our trend line. Okay, the ascending trend line over here. Okay, continue. Okay. Oh, what about the ascending trend line? Maybe we just have to find the this one. Okay, this is lovely one. Okay, for this one we will identify at our descending trend line, right? You can see the price on downtrend, because what you could identify, make a lower low, lower high, right? Something like that. So, and for resistance, somehow I draw from this, you know, bullet order block. You can that in line with our descending trend line. Okay, so this is the zone. If price break above the trend line over here, it might pull back from the resistance. It become your pullback support level, and then you target for the next resistance. Let's say if price, okay, had rejected or rejection or falling from here, this is gonna be your buy entry. You're gonna buy at the support level, which is this level. You will target at the first resistance. If price break above, pull back, and then you buy up. Okay, continue, right? Or if you sell at the resistance, this is gonna be a take profit, and you buy up at the support level. Okay, and this is, you will see that this is significant trend line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 rejected, right? You see that somehow this is the zone. Okay. Okay, now how to draw a trend line correctly? Okay, connect a two significant swing high for the resistance or swing low for support level, which is this one. I change to this one, right? Connect the two significant swing high. This is our swing high, right? This is swing high. Okay, for the resistance, right? This is a swing high. And if you're swing low for the support, this is our swing low, right? Okay. Ensure price action respect the trend line multiple times. Price action meaning that you will see the rejection. Usually, if there is a key level in line with our key level, right, you will see the price action. For example, you were to go to the, do you see? Okay. You were to go H4, maybe you see the rejection. But if you go to H1, what do you see? You will see lovely price action, which is where? Here, right? The price action confirm that, okay guys, I'm going to reward from this trend line, from this level, right? You can see the lovely price action, and then you sell, right? You can see that even the H1 time frame, okay, you can see the rejection along a week here. So you know that is your price action. Okay, the rejection. You can see this on another price action. Of course, one we see here, we're not going to draw the trend line based on only one, right? 1 week here. But if you were to connect, and if you were to sell at this level, you would know that, okay, there is a bearish divergence here. I teach you how to look, okay, and then they will tell you guys, hey guys, I'm going to reward from this level. Do you see that? Price action. Okay, and another confirmation there is a bearish divergence happening at the key resistance level. Okay, and then you can sell at this zone, which is where you're going to sell. You can open sell entry at this candle, right? This one ending with price action and bearish divergence, you can open sell at second like candle here. Okay. Continue. Validating trend line, look for the confluence of moving average, Fibonacci retracement, and key price zone, which is just now the key level. Price action happen at the key level, which is the resistance level. Right? This is your key resistance level, right? This is your very nice overlap resistance level here. Okay. What if you want to combine with Fibo level? Okay, you need to draw from the swing high to the swing low, right? The Fibonacci level we're acting at the resistance level. You see that it's very nice line up with where our 78.6%. All right, and then we know that there's a bearish divergence over here based on H1 time frame. There's a price action. So this one, when you see like 3 confirmation like this, you can have a bigger lot size. Of course, you need to know how to like manage your lot size, right, money management. But you will just see like that 3 confirmation, you sell. 99% you probably gonna reward for me. I'm not gonna say like 100%, but 99%. Okay, well, put the stop loss above this swing high. Okay, or you can play the stop loss based on Fibonacci level. You use a Fibonacci extension, which is you place above the extension 127, that's your stop loss. Okay, we use the stop loss place above the extension number. Okay, you can see that, and then price is falling. Okay. Continue. Okay, what's about the identifying horizontal support and resistance, which is we already know that horizontal support, okay, the price have consistently found a buyer, preventing the further decline, which is this one, we know already, right? And if you were to look like that, it just look like the sideways or ranging. Horizontal resistance level is just like that, okay? So basically, so that, for the horizontal resistance is level where price might have consistently found a seller, preventing the further rise. That's why if you know how to identify the key level correctly, horizontal, right? When price approaching or reaching the key level, for example, like here, you will see there is a lot of rejection, right? You can see a lot of weak at this level, right? You can see that. You can see this, maybe I just make it a bit bigger, right? You can see that this is the resistance. From here, we know that this is a resistance level. Okay, the resistance level. One price break above here, what is this gonna be? Pullback support, right? So we expected that, okay, this is gonna be a pullback support level, but then you can see that price break below, now it become your resistance level. Okay, so this is very nice, rejected a few times, key level here, break above because of this candle, pull back, supposed to respect the support level. Now it break below, it becomes the resistance level and falling, right? Okay. Okay, let me look for the next one. Okay, we're talking about the channels. Okay, the channel line, which actually is formed by drawing the parallel trend line on both sides of price movements. Okay, so there was like T type of channel, gonna have like ascending channel, descending channel, and horizontal. Basically, this is like just a sideways market, right? So if was a sideways market, we just play like ranging and bounce, like trading within the ranging market. For ascending channel, okay, price make a high, higher low. You know that is the bullish trend. Descending channel price just playing which it make a lower high. Okay, so okay, okay, for significant trend line, we have need to have like 3 touches. For channel, only 2 touches only. So this is gonna be, but this one, okay, actually this is not very nice because there's a gap here, and then price close the gap, then now we is within the channel, but I'm not gonna draw like that. But what I can draw before that, right? This is the 1 and 2, right? This is the one I want to draw like that. Okay. If I were to draw, this is gonna be the ascending channel or bullish channel line, right? You can see the price is just respecting the channel. Let me just pull here, right? Within here, you know, when price approaching like the upper channel, you can see the rejection just within the range here. Usually for the channel, some of them they might use for the, you know, if you trade with yellow wave, right, for you to see, they will just like wave 1, wave 2, maybe this is like maybe wave 3, wave 4, actually wave 5 should be there, for example, right? But then you can see price is did not go, so this maybe fail the elevate, right? Price just make like, you know, the you go high here and then falling, making what side of the reversal here. Okay, you can see that the M pattern, right? Either you call M pattern falling. This also in line with our resistance level. Okay, and then you can see that one price break below the ascending channel or bullish channel line here. You can see that break below, pull back, right, and then continue to fall. And because of when was that February 3rd, there's a gap. It's a Monday, all right, there's a gap down, and then they just close the gap within the day. Okay, you can see that. So, and over here falling, okay, if you were to sell, and then you have the sale open, okay, I think a more early in the morning on Monday 3rd of Feb, okay, I think will trigger your take profit. Where your take profit we will put here, right, for your support level. You can see that I will put at this week, and then you can see that it's a week rising to where, rising to this resistance level, or we could, this is your resistance zone, right? And you can see the one price break below here, the bullish channel, and then there is your price pattern or chart pattern, which is this one M pattern, right? Break below, pull back, which is, you know, that make a neckline, right? You have a sell, and then if you have the sell opens in Friday, there's a gap, you gap down, you take profit. Price rising is still within where, within our overlap resistance level, you may have another sell entry right here. If you go to the lower time frame, what your confirmation, you can see that your price action, this really lovely, right? You can see that. If you identify the key level correctly, usually in the lower time frame, they will have the sign of reversal, like price action. You will see, like, very often you see this, right? It's really lovely price action, and then you sell, right? You can see that. Okay. What about, let me just go to another page. We have a channel, we have another ranging market, right? Which is BTC. Before that, okay, like over here, either you identify, okay, there's ranging market, right, over here, and then we able to identify like this level. To me, either you identify like ranging market, this is not very nice. But now BTC based on H4 time frame, H1, sorry, it's just a ranging market right here. You can see that this is the resistance, right? You sell at the resistance, and then we buy at the support level, right? You can see that based on the BTC H4 time frame, H1, sorry, daily time frame, right? You can see that it's just a ranging market. Okay, it's just a horizontal channel. Oh, you can do like that. What color should I put? Okay, we put red. Right, you can see that it's just arranging. So now for the BTC based on daily time frame, okay, it's not good for you to trade either buy or sell unless you go to the lower time frame. Okay, then anyone, like, you can sell here, right? Anyone sell, you can sell like here. You know that it's like M pattern. Do you look like the M pattern over here? Right? Break below, pull back. Let's say you sell, and now it's just ranging. Maybe you go to H4, you will see that very clearly. In H4 time frame, H daily is a ranging market. H4, this is the bearish trend, right? At least we will see that, okay, price is make a lower low, lower high based on H4 time frame, right? So this is your sell entry. Somewhere here, anyone to sell. You also can combine with, remember that we will identify the key level first, and then you could use Fibonacci to see that, okay, you can see that our first resistance level, okay, if somehow you know, close to 61.8% and 78.6. So if you were to highlight the zone, this is gonna be your resistance zone, right? 0.8% is right here. What if you go to the lower time frame? Do you see the price action? Yes. Actually, the lovely price action. You can see that here, your price action. Your sign of confirmation, like, hey guy, this is zone for you to sell. I'm going to, like, falling like a crazy at this level. So go and sell, right? This is your price action based on H1. What about M30? You see M30? A week, right? I think there might be a divergence as well. Yes. You see there's a bearish divergence. Okay. Of course, the bearish divergence, if you if you did not identify the key level correctly, sometimes you see the divergence, but why price still rising? Because that is not a key level, right? You can see there is a bearish divergence. So in M30, bearish divergence happening here. H1 candle, they also have what? Price action, right? Price action somewhere around here. It is here, right? Is the price action. And you were to look at the indicator, you know that it's already overbought, right? Overbought price where it is 70, right? Number 70 for RSI. You can see that as well. Okay, and then you sell. Okay. This is UJ. Okay, we'll come back and look again. Any question, guys? So how to trade the channels? Okay. Of course, we buy the lower boundary and we sell near the upper boundary, but that is not always like that. It's not so easy. That's why you need to what? You need to see the rejection like that or price action, or the upper one is in line with either the resistance level, right? Resistance level, you can see that there's a price action here, or you can use the Fibonacci draw from the high to the low here. Here may have like with maybe here like 78.6% fib. Okay, and then you can sell at this level. It's the same like a support level. So if you to buy here, should have the price action and in line with the horizontal support level. Okay, if price break below this one, you can use Fibonacci extension. Okay, if price break below this starting point with 100%, okay, then you will use the Fibonacci extension. And if there is Fibonacci extension line up closely here, okay, you can buy up. Okay, like I say, you can confirm with candlestick pattern, volume, but I don't trade with volume. I trade with, I will look for the RSI. Either I'm using the divergence or overbought or oversold. 70-30 is a default setting. Okay, DIV is just a short form for divergence. So I only use this one, and you also plus Fibo, right? You can use the Fibo level as well. Okay, continue. Any question? Let me see. If anyone just like joy, okay, you can ask, you can just drop me a question. Oh yeah, or you can just ask me anything about trading, okay? I will answer. Okay, so the next one. So the technique for identify support and resistance. Okay, so for the support and resistance, of course, you need to use the past swing high and swing low for the reference point. Okay, you look for the round number. You know that there is a psychological number like ending with like 0, like 0 ending with 0 or ending with like 5 something, 0.5. Then maybe you can just buy or sell based on that number. Okay, or you can use moving averages like EMA 100, 50 or 200, or MA act as a support in the uptrend and resistance in the downtrend. But I personally use the EMA, not simple moving average. I just use the EMA. Okay, for the EMA, I personally recommended you to use maybe 200 to identify the trend. For example, if you to pull out maybe just go to another one. I will just go here. EMA. If you are swing trader, EMA. Okay. I will change the setting. Oh, maybe I already have one. Okay, I will change the setting, this one to 200. And what do you see? You need to use it on higher time frame. But of course, if you trade like another instrument, you might need to test out first because I will need to trade EURUSD, GBP gold, and silver. Okay. Let's say EURUSD, whenever price break below EMA 200, you just keep selling. You just find the selling entry, for example. And of course, one price break below the resist EMA 200, now it will acting at the resistance level, right? And you can see this in line with our support. Now it become your pullback resistance level. We're gonna sell here, right? Okay. If price go above the EMA 200, you buy. And in this case, the EMA also acting at the support level. You can see that you wait for price to pull back, and this is your support level. You see that? Okay, and this one. And what about this one? What is my confirmation? Do you see the price action here? And you know that this is my resistance level. Okay, look to your left and then just connect those like price, for example here, and then you can see here. Okay, when I see, so when I identify this my excuse me, the resistance, you can see that if I identify my resistance level, I plot out the EMA, right? And then you can see that there is a price action over here. Excuse me. I don't know why suddenly I have the itchy throat. Okay, it's over here. Like here, right? What is my confirmation like? For example, you see this candle, right? You think, hey, it seems like price is going to like, it's close above my resistance level. You know that this is my resistance level. Don't be panic. You need to look to the left, and another one that you need to use what is your price break the high. Okay, you need to use the extension. For example, okay, I sell here. Okay, I sell here, and then now I say, it seems like price is break above. Okay, my this is like this resistance level. But what is the next one? So I will use my extension. This is two number for I'm using like 127 and 161.8 for my extension. Okay, so if I sell at this level, and another, it seems like, oh, price close. So where is the next resistance? I will keep this one. So I may have another sell here at the extension and SL maybe above 161 point. If price close above, meaning they're gonna hit stop loss. So I'm not gonna hold to the next resistance level, which is next resistance level is right here. Okay. Okay, so I hold. Okay, now I have another sell here. Second sell, I will sell at the this level, and H4 time frame closing, I see that is the price action here, right? I say, oh, I think there is a price, it might gonna reverse here, just a breakout. I pull out the eye. What do you see? H4, it seems like price is approaching at least like 70, but not yet. But what I'm going to H1, where's my graph? Mm. Where is it? Maybe here. I leave it here and go to H1. Okay, so I go to H1 time frame. Okay, in H1 I see that okay, there is a price action over here. Okay, so if I sell, put stop loss above, I have two sell entry. One is here. The first one is here. This is already overbought, right? overbought. What about I go to M15? So now, because why I need to go down to the lower time frame, because I want to see whether price is going to revert from this level. Okay, go to M15. Oh, it seems like price is going to like revert. No, what I need to do, I will monitor the highest point that price went up. Either I want to see if I make the double top or M pattern or make the lower low, lower high, something like that. So I want to monitor. And then I will see, oh, it seems no, meaning that price going to reverse. H1, go back to H1, just a rejected price make a lower to this level, right? Price go all the way to my resistance level. Either I will close this trade for the sell entry, I will hold above here. Okay, I will hold above here, this level. Let's just continue to see price will just, okay, boom, right? You can see that just all the way to my TP, right? So don't be panic because this like a fake breakout, right? If you anticipate again, the support and resistance for this one is just the level for you to reference. It's not for you to say, hey, price is going to like, break above or close above, meaning that from the resistance it become your support. Yes, but then you need to go to the lower time frame and see, and you can use Fibonacci extension to find another entry, because if you know how to use the extension for gold, right? I'm go back to gold. You will get the entry at the top for the sale, which is yesterday, right? Here, go back. There will be price is almost touching the extension on daily time frame. Okay, that's why yesterday price falling so crazy, right? I'm go back here. Okay, first we need to identify what the key level. We know that it's gonna be a pullback support level. They will come, but I don't know when, right? We know that this is a very lovely pullback support level. And at this level, anyone sell here, right? You see that this is like 29.43, right? Almost hits our extension. That's gonna be the last extension, but some of you guys might use the like 200. That's possible in a low time frame, but on the daily time frame, you can see that price break above the extension. Okay, we could combine with another one is the, I don't want to go too much detail, but this is how you get the entry. But if you join my webinar since last year, you will know that I will teach you guys how to use all like Fibonacci extension and projection. But if you still new, you just joined the webinar this year, don't worry. They're gonna be a Fibonacci series coming up, so just watch out. Again, this is gonna be our sell zone, right? Like before price come. Okay. Okay, so now based on daily time frame, you will see that, okay, I'm going to identify this going to be my next potential resistance level, right? And the price is 29.43, and the low one 29.28. This is about 200 pip, right? Around there, 200 pip, but it's too big. So what you need to do, okay, you can use what extension. This is the high in H4 time frame. If we're able to do the extension, okay, this is 161.8, but because the lower time frame, I might want to put 200 in there, lap above that, okay, and continue. Price keep rising. It seems like, okay, based on H1 time frame, what do you see? It's break above this high, it break above this high. So what you need to use? You need to use the projection. And then I will see that, okay, within this zone, right? This zone I have 161.x, okay, projection. So this is the zone that I'm looking to sell, right? So you wait for I come to the zone. Wait, so no, pull back. I make a faster. Boom. This one you can see that rejected, right? And if you go to the lower time frame, what do you see? One price go to, you can see the zone here, the rejected, and then you can see this somehow your price action. And what what you see, if I were to highlight the zone in the M15, you find the key level. This is just a wick. The blue box, right? This is just a wick, right? You can see that. And you can see that price falling. This is gonna be my re-enter for the sell entry at this resistance level, right? This is my resistance level. Maybe M15 maybe look nicer, right? Break below, pull back, and remember that you can combine with Fibonacci, right? You can see that 61.8% of our lovely golden zone you sell, right? Okay, this is how you identify the key level. You can combine with EMA, or you can use the RSI, or you can combine with support and resistance. Okay, Fibonacci level, of course, we have excuse me, 38.2, 50%, 61.8, 78.6. That's gonna be the last retracement. And if 23.6% to 30.2, that is a small pullback. Okay, and 61 is our golden level, and the last pullback gonna be 78.6%. If you want to see like 88.6%, okay, this is more, they use this level more to the harmonic pattern. Okay, for harmonic pattern will look like this, right? X, A, B, C, and D point, right? That. So don't worry, I'm going to share with you guys how to use harmonic as well. So for the 88%, it's gonna be the last retrace for some of the harmonic pattern. Okay, for the retracement, just 78.6%. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? Well, I'm going to delete the. Okay, I continue. Okay, if you have any question, you let me know. Okay, so strategy another using some resistance, of course, bow trade enter at the where support a resistance level. Breakout, I already show you guys. You can use breakout to confirm where RSI. Usually like for example, like over here, you pull out the RSI, right? Like for example, like here, you will see that this is already overbought based on the M15. And then you know that of course this level, which I just show you now, is also where overbought, right? You can see that really overbought for so long already based on daily time frame. And of course you can see that it's almost touching our 161.8, right? So daily approach 161.8 extension, eyesight is already overbought. Okay, now M15, when you see like that, you can already sell, right? You can see that your price action here, you can see also overbought. Okay, follow the daily time frame, so you can sell. Show us on chart, please. Show what? This one, right? This one. What do you mean? How to use, is it? Okay, so you can see that. So if you ever never trade with the price action or PA, you should start looking for the price action because it's very, very powerful, right? You can see that every time I highlight the key level, I show you guys there will all be a price action or there will be a divergence for your confirmation as well. Okay. Okay. Continue. Breakout strategy, I already told you guys, right? Look for reversal side, pin bar, engulfing pattern, confluence strategy. You can combine multiple with SNR, support and resistance method, trend line, Fibonacci, volume for stronger signal. Okay? All right, guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining. So we still have 15 minutes. Okay, we still have like 15 minutes, so we will look at the chart together. If you have any specific instrument you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just send a request. Okay, okay, let me pull out chart together. Okay. So basically this is my sell zone. Actually, I did my sell zone here, but I think they captures here the wick. I just put like first resistance level here. But of course there is gonna be the zone from the wick from to the body. Generate. For the UJ, I think I'm already here. Okay, I think it in line with 61.8% fib. Here. Okay. Then this is gonna be my second resistance level. Yeah. So that is sell entry for UJ. Okay. A target here for the first support. Right next support level. Anyone get the buy at this level? But I need to adjust. This is the level. Nasdaq. This one, right? Is it this one Nasdaq 100? Okay, based on the daily time frame, to me, it's just a ranging. The market structure is not very nice here. The ranging here, or like they capture at like this level, right? You can see the price just ranging. Okay, maybe you can go to the lower for like scalping entry. Okay, let's say I would say that this my wait oh, it's a all-time high, is it? Okay, let me look for the bigger picture first. Okay, now what do you see? We need to use the projection. Okay, it seems like they break above 100% projection. Break above extension as well. This is monthly. Okay, I just want to look for the direction. Go to weekly. The next target for the weekly is here as extension. This is your first resistance, right? This is the zone for daily time frame. Okay, your support level, I will adjust again based on the H4. This is your first support. Okay, go to H4. This is the first resistance. This is your sell zone, bearish of the block here. So this is the zone. They make captures like this, almost touching, right? You can see that because of this wick, you can see this. This is the zone. This is gonna be your second resistance based on H4. Okay. The extension I draw from H daily. And then did you see that my second resistance also in line with extension 161.8, right? Make it like strong zone right here. Slightly have the 78.6%. So that's gonna be the zone for second resistance, meaning if price break above this high or this high, the next sell zone is this one. So this zone you just monitor. Okay. For the support level, based on H4, I will adjust. Don't need to look for so far. You get, if you look at this level, you get the buy entry right here. This is second support. Mm. Okay. Can you explain price action again? Yes, thank you. Okay, price action is just okay, price approaching or reaching your key level. Okay, you got learn those like price action. There's so many names: shooting star, hammer, inverted hammer, evening star, morning star. There's so many. Um, to be honest, I don't remember all the name, but I just picture the name in my mind. I know that okay, this is the pattern that price going to reverse. Like for example, like this one. Okay, this one. Of course, the price action will happen where there's a reversal at the key level. Okay, so this is the level for Nasdaq. Okay, let me put the EMA. You can see that above EMA, or then you can see that it's in line or close to our support level. And in this case, they're also acting at the support level. Okay, and then it's rising. Maybe we can go to the lower time frame. Is this there was a gap? Is it here? Yeah, I think there's a gap, right? Is this at the level, the support level and run rising? Okay, this is one of them. Do you have any question? Okay, oh, okay, I still have 5 more minutes to go. Anyone want to request for any pair? Oh, just now price is falling. Do you see that? Anyone trade you just like price cannot like go below this M15 support, right? And then it's just rising so strong. But still within the zone, we will see. I think maybe dollar is right dollar. Dollar is falling, right? Dollar is falling. The key level for dollar is here. This is gonna be the support level. Anyone want to request? No one. Somebody asked me. Okay, EURUSD. Sorry, I just saw your message. Okay. Okay, EU is rising. Where is our key level? Actually, This is the zone that I'm looking for. Okay. But a really strong buy. But this the zone. Okay. Actually, I was waiting to buy at this level for the pullback, but it seemed like price just rising now, entering our valid order block. So you want to sell here, you need to wait for confirmation. I'm not gonna sell because you can see the rejection. It seems like price want to rise, but it's still within the trend line, right? This is below the trend line. Okay. So you see the rejection, okay, like I just mentioned. Either you sell, you take profit here, and then you buy up. I would identify this my first resistance level. So next 0.6% fib, the zone, narrow zone. Okay, that this is a support level. The resistance, and like here is like 78.6 fib. Mm, okay. The next resistance level, if price break above, this is very nice price taken already. So the next resistance I will leave it there. 78.6%. The overlap for the next resistance level. Okay. This is the second support. Okay, you can see there's a rejected already. So this is the level. Okay. What time frame is best for entry? There is no best time frame. It depend whether what type of trader you are. Usually I will highlight the key level based on a higher time frame, and then I go to either M5 or M15 to look for confirmation, and then I enter my trade. Okay, so basically, if you're a scalper, you can even like go to M15 to enter your trade, and you can label the key level based on the M15 as well. Like I always say is that you you should pick a few pair or a few instrument to trade, and then you treat them like your loved one, like your boyfriend or girlfriend, right? And then you learn their pattern, because like different instrument they have a kind of like different pattern. For example, like EMA may work well with gold, but it may not work well with like USD or indices. Okay, so that's why you're able to see here there is so many instruments for you to trade, right? But actually I just pick 3 or 4, which is EUSD, GBP, USD. Why? Because they are like negative correlation with dollar index, which is if dollar is falling, EU or GU will be rising. Sometimes gold also rising, but now it seems like gold has positive correlation with dollar. So somehow you cannot trade gold like if dollar is rising and then gold will be falling, but current market is no, they kind of move the same direction. And then one pair I trade is a silver, because silver also move the same direction with gold. Okay, so you just treat them like your loved one. You just learn, you look for their pattern. You will see. Okay. So identify the key level. Can pick H1, H4 to like look for the really clear like market structure here. If you go to the lower time frame, if you expert already, but you can see that in the lower time frame there's a lot of noises, right? So you don't know where the key level. Look on the higher time frame. For example, you asked me to look for like a Nasdaq just now. Okay, which I seldom look because I don't trade Nasdaq. So I need to go to the higher time frame, right? I need to go to the higher time frame, and then I want to see the direction, what's happening here. Oh, it's like the all-time high. Okay, what direction? Okay, will look like that. Okay, this is like a V-shape, right? Maybe continue to go low higher. Then what about weekly? It seems like here weekly resistance, a lot of rejection. Then I go down to even the lower time frame to find the key level. Okay, usually I label a key level based on H4. Okay, because why? Because I'm a day trade. So actually H4, I just say like, okay, you ask yourself if you label the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame, it takes time for one daily candle to reach the resistance level. If you're a swing trader, and then you can, you can hold from first resistance, from the first support here to next resistance level for the swing. It would take like how many days? For example, like daily time frame, right? You can see if you were to hold here, it would take like 1 day, 2 day to reach your target. But in H4 time frame, usually I prefer like within the day or actionable, actionable trade within like the day. So most of the time, price will just trigger above from the first resistance and go to this second resistance, or falling from the resistance to first support. Okay, and then tomorrow I come back, and then I identify the key level again. So basically, okay, so it's up to you guys, but I just use H4 and use M5, M15 to look for confirmation. Nasdaq is good for trading. You telling me or you asking me? Nasdaq, yeah, I think you need to wait because now Nasdaq, I think you wait for maybe New York section, right? But I don't trade Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinar. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, happy trading, guys. Take care. Bye for now. I make money. Okay, you make money. Happy for you. I'm happy for you. Just make a lot of money. There's so many money in the forex market for you to grab it. Just go and grab it. Okay, happy for you. You're welcome. Okay, guys. Bye for now. Take care, guys.